What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wiper motor on this 2010 Honda Fit. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. To remove the rear wiper arm, we need to take this little trim piece off. Just slide that out, just like that. I'm going to remove this nut. I'm going to use a 10mm socket and a ratchet. I'm going to hold the arm while I loosen this up. Take that off. Just grab the arm, just rock it back and forth. Should be able to break it free. It's a good idea to mark this before you take it off. You can mark the windshield or just take note of where it was before. You want to pull this trim off. Just grab underneath here, just pull it straight down. You can use a trim tool. It comes right down, has all these push retainers, a little B in there. Disconnect this connector. Just gonna take a small pick, get in under here, pry it up a little bit. Be careful not to break it. I'm gonna take these bolts out. There's two right there and one right here. I'm gonna use a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Take that bolt out and just slide it up. Now take the wiper motor, slide it through the grommet, get the holes lined up, and put the bolts back in. Get them all started before you tighten them down. Now I'll take my 10mm socket and ratchet and tighten these down. Just snug. How's it good? Reconnect the connector. Lock it in place. All right, take this panel, just line the clips up and just press it back up. To reinstall this wiper arm, you want to line this up. What I want to mention is if you replaced the wiper motor, it's a good idea to just cycle the wiper motor one time and make sure it's in the park position before you install this. Otherwise, you're going to install it and wiper arm's going to be down here when you turn it on. So just line this up, just like that. Take this nut, get this started. Take a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Then I'm going to hold the arm and just snug this up, not too tight. Make sure it's not too loose. Take this cover and just slide it over.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.